Oh boy, next commercial, damn it, this better be the final one and it better not be scary. Oh boy. Used to be a oh crap, not fishing. This is one of the most boring commercials I've ever seen in my entire morning life.
That's the final commercial.
Alright, if that's the final commercial, I'm gonna be happy, but it better not be scary.
Wait.
Why is there a black screen? Please do not show me another jump scare. Please? Oh, thank gosh, it's over. Thank goodness.